Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to be showing you a very simple job. We're going to be replacing the coolant reservoir. It's going to be a very easy job. If you need this or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and take out this 10mm head bolt right there. And then you'll find another one located right over here. Okay? So I'm going to use a 10, nice long extension, my ratchet. Turn it to the left, counterclockwise. It's talking to me. If I can get it out of here. That's what our bolt looks like. Set that aside. I'm going to remove my extension now. I'm going to go for my bolt right back here. Bolt number 2 looks exactly like bolt number 1. You don't have to worry about mixing those up. We'll grab our container, pull it up. We're going to reuse this overflow hose right here. Okay? So you just grip it, twist it, pull it, and that's that. Just check it, make sure it's not all dried and cracked. If it is, you'd want to replace it. This goes up here and then it goes to your radiator. So when your radiator fluid gets warm and it has to overflow someplace, it comes through this tube into your bucket right there. Okay? Let's swap it out. So here we are, friends. A quick product comparison for you. Here we have our old coolant reservoir out of our 2007 Hyundai Elantra. We just took it out. It was a really easy job. I just wanted to show you everything matches up perfectly. We've got our mounting holes down here. We've got where our overflow hose goes into. Mounting hole up here. Same height. So right here is where your cap's going to go onto. Locks in great. So there you are. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and install this quality part. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So one thing I want to show you on the old reservoir, you've got your old cap right here. The new one doesn't come with a new cap. I'm sure you could probably order one somewhere. Anyway, to take it off, there's just a little slot located right on the back side there. All I'm going to do is grab it, pull it off nice and easy. You can see the way it works. Little hook, right? This just slides in. Boop. I'll put this aside. I'll show you how it goes in the new one. Just going to take it, get it lined up with the hook. That's it. Slides right in. Easy peasy. Got our hose. Could do this first, you could do it last, you can do it whenever you want, just make sure you don't forget it. Get this slid back in here. See if I can get this around this right there. Nice. Take one of our bolts. Just gonna start it in the hole here. Okay. Other bolt, it's going in the hole down here. See if I can get it. Close, there it is. Okay. Just snug up the top one here. Feels like it's bottomed out. I'm just gonna hold it down here. Just give it a little bit more, that's it. Now we'll get our bottom one. I'm going to go back to using my extension with my 10mm, of course. Same thing. We don't want to crush down our plastic too much. We just want to bottom it out. Feels pretty bottomed out. Just give it a little bit. There we are. Now we're clear to go ahead and fill this up to the line that I specified. You know, just below the full right there. And you should be all set. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.